In this quick video, I'm going to install a Bluetooth module on my Festool CT48 dust extractor. Nothing too extravagant, but still. Let's get started. With the CT unplugged, I used a 5mm Allen key to remove the two screws that were holding the cover on. To get the cover off the CT, I harnessed my inner MacGyver and I used a piece of duct tape. Now when you go to plug in the module, do not force it in. You could bend or damage the wires that are inside the CT if you're too firm with it, so just be careful. Once I felt it seat in, I secured it to the CT with the two screws that I previously removed, making sure not to over tighten them. With the CT plugged in, move the power switch into the auto position. Press and hold the button on the module until the blue light starts spinning fast. Then press the button on the remote once to sync it up with your CT. Now in case you were wondering, I plan on using this remote on my 36mm hose in conjunction with my cleaning kit. Now there are a few different ways to sync up a Festool Bluetooth battery to your CT. I'm just showing you this way so you can see how the battery and module are syncing up to each other. Once they're paired, you can use this battery in your tool and the CT will run when that tool is being used. When the tool shuts off, the CT will run a little longer to clear out any debris that might still be in the hose. And on that note, I'm going to call this video done. If you haven't already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, please feel free to leave those below and I will address them when I can. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and have a good one.